We are able to provide circumstantial evidence which actually goes to show what transpired. So the court looked at that and also considered his confessional statement to the police, which is even the legal evidence that we are required to tender. So, and then those are the basis upon which the court made this pronouncement. First, there are sufficient circumstantial evidence that led to the conclusion that he actually killed Mrs. Salome, and also his confessional statement to the police, which was tendered without objection.
The law has taken its course. Because of the peculiar nature of this case and the accelerated hearing it was given by the judiciary, we have no option. We are lawyers, we only assisted the defendant in presenting his case. The duty to decide the case either way is the exclusive prerogative of the court, and that is what my lord has done, analyzing critically the evidence of both parties.
This journey, I was trying to make sure that we get to this point of judgment so that the remaining youth, their life will be safe. Because if we allow this kind of person to continue in the society, it will continue to cause more harm to more living souls. And that is why I am happy that he was sentenced to death by hanging. And also I want to appreciate the state government, the High Court, Lavia, the judge, and all the media houses for all their assistance from the beginning of this case to this time. And also appreciate Nigerians for being there for me, for being against things that is not good.